I am N. Satish from Tagore Engineering College and my team members are Dinesh, Saravanan, C. Satish. We are here going to discuss about the project of real estate system using blockchain technology. First of all, we must know about the blockchain technology. It is an advanced database mechanism that transparent information sharing with business networks. The overview of the project is that the real estate sector is most lucrative industries in the world with returns growing high every year. Even considering the unstoppable political concerns that prevail over the country due to the abundant corruption among numerous sectors in the country. Real estate actors is no exception to this The overview of the project is that the real estate is one of the most lucrative industries in the world with returns growing higher every year. Even considering the unstable political conditions that prevail over the country due to the abundant corruptions among numerous sectors in country, real estate sector is no exception to this sad reality. The main problem in the real estate using blockchain technology is that the lack of transparency. The real estate market often lacks transparency with property data, transaction histories, and ownership records scattered across various databases and paperwork. This capacity makes it difficult for buyers and sellers and other stakeholders to obtain reliable up-to-the-data informations. Our team member Dinesh will explain about the purpose of this project.
The purpose of the project is the geographic distribution is chosen due to the fact that this paper wants to determine the impact of the blockchain technology on the not only consumers but also the economic implementation that it would have on real estate sectors in Karachi, Pakistan, as the real estate sector in the Karachi is worth billions of rupees and the impact of the blockchain.
Literature survey shows that the past persons were discussed about these topics and they were literature survey. It shows the existing problems in the real estate. As of my last knowledge updated in January, blockchain technology had made significant progress in addressing some of the knowledges in real estate industry, but there were still some existing problems and limitations. It's important to note that the adoption and the development of the blockchain technology in real estate may have evolved since then, but here are some of the existing problems as of that time. And here are some references that were provided by the authors in the below topic. Here are some references about the real estate system using blockchain technology. Certain authors recorded certain problems in the real estate technology using blockchain and they were being solved by them. Here are some images that shows that the empathy map and brainstorms of the real estate system using blockchain technology. And next here we go through the problem statements that carried both by the real estate agent and the customers. The functional requirement of the real estate system using blockchain technology are property registration, property transfer, property query, contract validation, ownership verification, and multi-signature support. And the non-functional requirements are security, scalability, interoperability, usability, performance, reliability, and cost efficiency. This provides the main requirements in the system. These are the main functional and non-functional requirements. The diagram shows the data flow diagram and the user stories. Data flow diagram explains how does the blockchain technology works in a real estate system. User stories can be classified as authorities, real estate agents, buyers, sellers, verifications. These are based on their particular characterization. Blockchain network, user interface, external data integration, tokenization are involved in the solution architecture. We will briefly see about the tokenization. If fractional ownership is a feature, create a mechanism for tokenizing real estate properties. This allows properties to be divided into tokens and thus prevents ownership shares and to be traded on the blockchain. The below diagram shows the solution architecture of the real estate system using blockchain technology. Project planning and estimation. Technical architecture were described in the image and the split planning and estimation. Estimations are listed in the tabular columns such as functional requirements, user number story, user story, story point, priority, and team numbers. Coding and solutioning. The coding provides the related code to the real estate system using blockchain technology. Performance matrix. In performance matrix, we must extract the file and the code from the zip files and translates it into the advantage and disadvantage topics. Advantages are transparency and humility, reduce intermediaries and cost, efficient transaction, enhanced security, access to verified data, global accessibility and standardization. Disadvantages are regularity changes, integration complexity, limited adoption, privacy concerns, in energy consumption works, legal enforcement of small contracts. Here I am going to give the conclusion that the aim of this study was to determine the impact of applying the blockchain technology to the real estate sector in the area of DHA. For these, different models were explored and a questionnaire was also filed by subjects who are either working in the real estate sectors or investors had well subjects who are the blockchain technology in their daily life. And here are some points about the future scopes that based on the real estate using blockchain technology.